Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the Keyup event example of jQuery. So first of all, remove the title that is previously created in AngularJS. So Keyup event example in jQuery. So first of all, add a script file of jQuery in your header section, that is ajax.googleapis.com ajax libs jQuery 1.7.1 jQuery.mean.js, and after that you can add a text field for the typing something here. When we type something and release the key, or you can say my finger up on upside after press and release the key, that's event will occur. Okay, so type your name, input type equals to text, and put the ID that is name text. Okay, now after that you can handle the script event, that is onload. So document.ready function, and get the ID of the text box dot keyup function apply on the text box. So document.ready function, and after that you can get the ID of the text box, because here we use the Keyup event on the text box, so you can use it. Okay, so by using hash keyword you can get the ID of the text box control, that is name text, and the Keyup function applied on that text box. Okay, function, again function, and you can write something in the text box on the span control inside the span. So put the ID in the span control, span tag, and you get the span tag by using their hashtag, by using their ID property in jQuery, and put into the HTML. So this is your code. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching my all other videos which is related to jQuery. I promise you I will provide you a better video tutorial of jQuery. You'll learn better and many more things about the jQuery. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget it. Subscribe my channel, I request you. Okay, thank you very much.